Hello, children. Today, this is class 7, chapter 3, simple equation chapter, children. I am going to show what is variable, constant, what is term, children, in this video. In last video, I have uploaded second chapter, fractions chapter, children. So please go through that video, children. Watch my full video, complete video, children. Then only you can understand what I am going to explain you. Every definition, every example you are going to understand easily, children. Okay, simple equations. In this chapter you have to come through with variables and constants. What are variable and what are constants, what are terms, children. Okay, first, what is variable, children? Variable means what, children? Variable means a symbol which can take various numerical values that can be denoted by a variable, children. For example x, y, a, b, like this we have so many variables, children. It takes the values. Okay, x equal to 10, this is the variable, children. Okay, like this we denote the variable. Okay, now, what is constant, children? Constant means a value which cannot be changed. Okay, which cannot be changed. It the symbol which have a value and which cannot be changed. Fixed value, which is fixed. Okay, children. This means constant, children. For example, I will show 5x here. Example 5x means what is this? X is a variable, children. In this 5 is a constant. We say it as constant. It will not change here. It is a fixed value. And let us take 5. 5 means this is a constant and x means a variable. Okay. What is term, children? Like this we have another definition, that is we have another term. Term means the constant alone. We say if we write a constant number alone, that means a constant number alone we write, that is called term. Or we write a variable alone, that is also called as a term. Or combinations, if we write in combination of variable or multiplication of numbers or any terms, division in terms, division or multiplication of variables and constants, combination of variables and constants in division term or multiplication pattern, then we call it as a term. For example, I will show. If you can't understand by definition, see for example 6 here. 6 is a constant alone a constant number here. This is also called a term. If we write 2x here, this is also a term, combination of variable and a constant here. And let us take 2 by x, x by 2. X by 2 means this is a combination of variable and a constant. Let us take 2 by y. Here see, here is a constant and it is variable. The combination in division pattern, and this is also division. This is in multiplication. If we take x, y and z here, these are variables and it is a constant. The combination of constant and a variable. So this is called a term, children. Okay, combination or alone we write it as a term, alone variable, or combination of two terms, variable and constant, is called term. And constant means a fixed value, which has a fixed value. And variable means a symbol which is denoted as x, y, a, b, c, any variable. This is called variable and this is called constant. Okay, children, like this we have to denote in many problems. We are going through many problems in our daily life. We use variables and constant values. Okay children, in this chapter you know what is simple equation. The chapter name is only simple equations. I am going to explain what is equation. Okay, now what is a equation children? This is based on equation only. Chapter is what is about equation. Equality, writing a two expressions in between equal to symbols. Equality of two expressions can be called as equation children. For example, 2x is equal to 9. This is a term, constant term. This is also one term children. Okay, this is one term and this is one term. Combination of writing two expressions equally, then these two expressions are writing between here equal to symbol, then this is called a equation children. For example, 3x plus 2y equal to 7. Here equal to symbol is there, and here one expression and here is one expression. Equality of two expressions is called equations. Okay children, equality of two expressions can be said as equation. Simple equation, what is simple equation? A linear equation. Linear equation having a single variable, only one variable, it is called a linear equation. For example, 2x equal to 10. This is called children a linear equation having only one variable. This is called simple equation. Okay children, like this we can write it as 2x plus 5 is equal to 0. This is also called as a simple equation. Okay, because what is the difference in this? What is the variable here? X, and constant is 5 and 2 is constant, and two expressions are there here and equal to symbol is there, but only one variable. Okay, so this is linear equation. This is also called as simple equation. Okay, some principles are there. I will show with examples of principles of equation. An equation can be having equal values on both sides. Equal values on both sides of equation. Equal values on both sides of equation, that is LHS equal to RHS. We call it as, in short form, left hand side is equal to right hand side. Means, let us take an example. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Means here 5 is equal to 5. This is LHS is equal to RHS. Then these both values are same. If expression is given like this, 2 plus 3 equal to 5, then we get 5 equal to 5. Then LHS equal to RHS. Then both sides are equal to children. Equal children. The both values in sides are equal. If second principle is, when we subtracted a number from both sides by a same number, both sides are subtracted by a same number, is another a principle of equation children. This is also another principle. 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Then we get same number. If subtracted, we have to get same value. If we subtract minus 1, here 5 minus 1, both sides, what we will get? 5 minus 1, 4. Here what we will get? 4. This also equals to same value. LHS equal to RHS children. Here also. In third principle, What is third principle, children? Here same number is divided. Same number is divided, children, here in third principle. For example, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Here see, children, 5 plus 3 equal to 8 by 2. If I divide by 2 both sides, what we get? 4 equal to 2 ones are 2 fours are 2 ones are 2 fours are 4 children. Like this we have to get equal values in LHS and RHS. Fourth principle is transposition, children. Transposition means we have to change the value from left hands to right hand side, one side to another side, changing to one side to another side. For example, see here, x plus 3 is equal to 5. X equal to what, children? This comes to this side. 5 plus 3 becomes minus 3. Means x equal to 5 minus 3, 2. So plus becomes minus, children. Here plus 3 comes to this side. It becomes minus 3. So transposition means positive value becomes negative. Okay. It changes to another side. It changes sign. Okay. Another example is x minus 3 is equal to 5. X equal to what? This come to this side. 5 plus 3 it becomes negative value becomes positive. 5 plus 3 is 8. So minus becomes plus here. Negative value becomes positive. It changes from one side to another side. It means transposition. Fifth principle in equation, children. What if we multiplies? I will explain in next place, children. What is fifth? What is fifth principle here? I will explain. Let us take multiplies one number on LHS. It becomes divisor to multiplier of LHS becomes divisor to divisor on RHS. How? Our divisor of LHS, divisor on LHS becomes multiplier on RHS. Okay, it changes position, means the multiplier becomes divisor when it comes to RHS. LHS on divisor it becomes multiplier which comes to RHS. How? I will show with an example. See, children, one expression is 2x plus 5 is equal to 7. What is this? It is an equation. Here it is an expression, here it is an expression. 2x x plus y. I will take this constant term to this side. 7 by 2. This is multiplication here, but it comes to here, it becomes divisor. Okay, this is I am going to explain here, children. Multiplier on LHS, it becomes divisor on RHS. Please remember these points, principles of equation, children. Multiplier of LHS, here it comes to this side, RHS right hand side, and this is left hand side. LHS means left hand side, RHS means right hand side. So 2 comes to this side, it becomes divisor. Okay, for example here, y plus 2 by 3 is equal to 9. So here 3 is a divisor here. When it comes to constant side, this is a variable term, y plus 2. I will take this 3 to this side. What if it will become? 3 comes to this side. 3 means cross multiplication. So 3 is multiplied to 9. It becomes divisor becomes